Welcome. If you've been wondering how to show the Recent Files section on your Dropbox home screen, you're in the right place. This simple update lets you access your latest documents quickly, making your workflow smoother and faster. Let's walk through the steps together. First, start by opening the Dropbox app on your device. Once you're inside, look for the Home tab at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. This is where you'll find a dashboard with different sections that can be customized to fit what you need. Next, scroll down through the Home tab until you reach the very bottom of the page. Here, you'll see an option labeled Customize. Tap on that, and a list of sections that you can show or hide will appear. Among these options, find the one that says Recent. This section is designed to display your most recently accessed or edited files, so it's super handy for keeping track of ongoing projects. Simply toggle this switch on to enable the Recent Files section. After you've toggled the Recent section on, move on by tapping the Save button. This will apply your changes and bring you back to the Home tab. Now, when you scroll through your home screen, you should see the Recent Files section prominently displayed, showing all your latest documents and files right where you need them. This simple customization makes navigating through your Dropbox much more efficient, especially if you work with multiple files or teams regularly. You no longer have to dig through folders or search manually to find the files you're working on right now. So to quickly recap, open the Dropbox app, go to the Home tab, scroll down to Customize, toggle on the Recent section, and save your changes. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy a more personalized Dropbox home screen. Thanks for watching.